Hello guys. Hi, we're SourcingYuan. This is Mika. This is Tommy Tang. So today we're going to have a casual podcast about the recent news. The iFlat Tech, they just launched a translator, which is based on large model, and it can simultaneous translate service. So Tommy Tang, have you heard that?
Yes, I have from this type of news several days ago, and I think it is definitely a breakthrough service to all the foreign traders. You speak the Chinese language to the device, and it will translate it into English immediately. In the past years, you just you see the Chinese language, and about several seconds later, you will get the English, but now it is immediately.
That's awesome. So it's definitely a breakthrough of this kind of area.
Yes.
So do you think it is any meaning of that to us as a business guy doing export and import?
If I am a middle-aged entrepreneur, when I was young, I couldn't get the best education about second language. So I have the poor knowledge of the language learning. When I get older, I will think about it. It is more and more difficult for me to learn language. But now I have this type of translator. And I have about several years of products experience and procurement experience. So I use this translator to the foreigners. I want to do some international project. It will make me easier and easier to reach my goal.
So that means if I want to do import or export to do some business with foreigners, we don't need to learn another language, another foreign language, because we have so powerful translator. It can translate it immediately. So does that mean I can understand that all efforts we put on learning English, they're all in vain? Is that right?
Yeah, in some ways, you may be right. Because when I was young, I have learned English for about 12 years. But now the translator comes out as a foreign trader. My efforts doesn't match the profits.
Will you feel frustrated about it? Will you feel frustrated about it when the translator come out?
Yeah, I feel much more distressed about this. But however, in some situations, you think that nowadays in lots of industries, they also face such as problems. The artificial intelligence will break their efforts, break their future. They
took their jobs.
Yes, at the end of the day, they couldn't do their own job. They just stay at home. Yes.
Yeah, that's true. Because for now, if I want to write an email to a customer who speaks another foreign language, of course I can use AI to generate it. Maybe it can do better job than me. But have you ever met any problems when you use it?
Yes, I have met these type of problems when I have a long live meeting with my customers, with my clients. I always feel confused about the national accent. I like the Chinese accent, like the India accent. It will make me in a biggest trouble because we couldn't understand each other.
Yeah, because sometimes you miss a word, you miss the whole sentence.
Yeah, so when the translator comes, it will solve all the problems. Yes.
It will translate some typical accents accurately. Yeah.
Yes. So I think so. It is totally a breakthrough.
Okay.
Yes.
So now AI can solve so many translation problems. Is there any necessary to learn another language? Or if there any possible that AI can make mistakes when they do their jobs?
Yes. For example, Chinese people will express the meaning of win-win. They were said about that, build the mutual glory. But however, for the Middle East person, they will think about that you are challenging their gods.
Oh,
yes,
that sounds very offensive.
So this is the problems of the translator. They will say about this Chinese meaning. So you will lose this clients.
Yeah.
Yes.
And maybe I want to try to say something good, but in their ears, you want to challenge our God.
Yes.
That's terrible.
Yes.
So the second language is not just a tool, but a channel to connect each other country, different region, different area, etc.
Yes, I totally agree. In my opinion, be serious is the norm of the business guy.
Yeah.
So we couldn't totally rely on the artificial intelligence. It will destroy our future. So learning the second language is not just learning the language itself. It's just learning the language. Make the communication more and more easier. Make us gather together.
Yeah, it's a thinking pattern.
Yes. It will loosen the grip. Yes.
Okay. And for next video, we're going to text an flag tag translator. Please subscribe. We're SourcingYuan. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.
Bye, guys.